Tesla Cybertruck, reviewed by Ford F-150 owner. When it was first announced back in 2019, the Tesla Cybertruck was often touted as something that could rival, if not outright replace, the massively popular Ford F-150. The hype machine behind it even included a tug-of-war that was, unsurprisingly, won by the Cybertruck that same year. But 2019 was a while ago. Now, Tesla's angular hate-it-or-love-it electric pickup is real, and people are driving it. But how does it compare to the combustion-powered F-150 that was used as a benchmark during development? The video embedded below tries to answer this question with a little help from a Ford owner who jumped behind the wheel of a Cybertruck for the first time. Zach owns a 2020 Ford F-150 Lariat, which has been his daily driver for a couple of years. The gas-powered truck has about 86,000 miles on the odometer, and, according to its owner, it's a sort of all-in-one machine. It has enough room inside for him and his family. The bed can accommodate a lot of stuff, and it can be used to tow heavier trailers than a smaller car or SUV. He would definitely buy another F-150 if he had to, but his perspective changed after driving the Cybertruck for almost an hour. Courtesy of Butter EV on YouTube, the video below can give F-150 owners an idea of what to expect if they're exploring the idea of getting Tesla's electric truck. Right off the bat, the first impressions were that the EV drives smoother and is more comfortable than the 2020 F-150 Lariat. The adaptive steering with rear-wheel steering also got a very big thumbs up because it allows the driver to turn on a dime when doing a U-turn, which can be very helpful. Zach, the F-150 owner who's being interviewed, said that he doesn't mind the square-like steering wheel because turning it from lock to lock requires less effort than on a conventional truck. He also feels like the Cybertruck is spacious and comfortable and feels like a souped-up go-kart because even though it's sporty, you can still feel the weight. In the end, the Cybertruck blows the F-150 out of the water. The tight turning radius is Zach's favorite feature, with the air suspension a close second. Driving on the same bumpy road on the F-150 and the Cybertruck, he could feel every imperfection in the Ford, but not Tesla's truck. It's almost like an exotic car, but in truck form, Zach added. Driving-wise, the Cybertruck is better, offering more speed and comfort than the F-150, but as a truck, the man in front of the camera isn't so sure. As far as everyday activities, I wouldn't know that, but I like it. Go ahead and watch the video, and then let us know what you think in the comments below. Source: reposted and summarized from @insideevs.